It made me buy this wig. It's synthetic, but it's not thetic. Y'all know it's levels to the theticality of it all. Keep them guessing. HD lace, we keep them guessing. HD lace, we keep them guessing. You cannot keep them guessing if your method,
When I say method.
as we know, we've talked about this. Undetectable does not mean undetectable. It just means undetectable. Okay? Period. 100% premium fiber. That means it's not human hair. Okay? Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. Hey, cousins. Hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
Let the church say subscribe.
Listen, I found a wig on Amazon. In the way that the model is modeling this wig, I had to grab it. When you deal with Amazon, you have to have a level of discernment. People don't know that. Whether the wig is going to look like it does on the tag, or if it's going to look like that on you, because when you order it, it may come through, but that don't mean it's true. That's all I'm saying, okay? Damn. Do y'all know about this wig from Sensational? Cloud9 Swiss lace wig, what lace, hairline illusion, lace wig, 100% premium fiber. That means it's not human hair, okay? You understand what I'm saying? Okay. This is Sister Glenna, okay? And I have Biolage Chocolate, 13x6 natural density, pre-plucked, flawless hairline, period. Look how beautiful. That picture right there. It made me buy this wig. Now, they say it's well crafted and undetectable. Now, as we know, we've talked about this. Undetectable does not mean undetectable. It just means undetectable. Okay? Period. Well crafted, soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable strap for a secure fit. Period. 13x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied parts. Boom. Pre-plucked natural density. Blada. Undetectable flawless hairline. Wop. Perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline. Period. Protective style. No leave out necessary. Boom. And they say it's safe between 350 and 400 degrees. Now they say that because it's not me. If y'all burn your wig up, you're not finna sit up here and say I said. You see that? Keep them guessing. HD lace. Keep them guessing. We keep them guessing. HD lace. We keep them guessing. We keep them guessing with HD lace. Now, there comes a time when we have to lead in the right way. And you cannot keep them guessing if your method
When I say method.
of application is flawed. Some of y'all get this and y'all don't be watching the whole video, so you miss crucial steps in the process. When you watching your favorite YouTuber and they telling you little critical stuff throughout the video, and then you don't get it because, see, you only caught part of the message, that means you can't keep them guessing. Therefore, you missed your blessing. People don't know that. Let's open this package. Ooh, look at it in the box, y'all. Look at it. Y'all, that is so pretty. Look how it's kind of coming out the box. Now look, honey, they popping off at the back. They said this other people's wigs looking straight up helmety. And now look at ours. Look at how that's, you see how that's, they got it pre-plucked with the pre-plucktivity of it all. You see that right there? Bam, they popping off. Ooh. Child, that almost went across my face. Boy, Sensational would have got the lawsuit of their life. I'm just playing, y'all. Look how beautiful. They plucked it, honey. They plucked it. See, it's supposed to be less dense around the hairline, and then the density is supposed to come through back in. It feels like the rest of their what lace collection. It's synthetic, but it's not thetic. Y'all know it's levels to the theticality of it all. This is a nice synthetic. It feels really good. I'm gonna tell you what I love about this wig, the layers. You know how when you get certain wigs and you want a certain look, you always end up cutting layers at the top? It looks like they already have them. We have 2 combs off to the side with pride. We have 1 off in the bite. Now, there is no elastic for a glueless fit. Get your sew on. Everybody get your sew on. Get your sew on. What? And then you have your adjustable strap. Y'all, I'm about ready to put this on. I got to get this sucker down. Because you know, the flatter your base is, the better your install is going to be. I'm going to hold on, y'all. I'll be chilling. I like it cool in the house, but sometimes it get too cool. Okay. Now, yeah, the flatter your base is, the better off you're going to be. So we're going to see what's what. I'm going to see how I can get this. We'll see how thus saith the Lord. If he determines it's going to be real flat, it is.
If it's got a little hump in the back, mind your business.
Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Let's work this. Let's work this. Put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it. Let's see what we can do with this because, see, I got a feeling everything's going to be all right. Let's work this, y'all.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. So right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do. Just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside. You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.